Today we'll be showing you how to do cell formatting. Cell formatting is very important in Excel because every cell, whatever data you will be inserting or you will be adding, depends on that. You have to format the cell in Excel. Otherwise, what will happen if you are using any formula or later on you want to do any sorting or any filtration of the data, you will not be able to do properly because you have to add the data in proper format of the cell. Let's see where from you will do the formatting of the cell. Suppose it's a data, it's a numeric data, it's an amount. So what cell format you should have? You should be doing either general or number, ideal or currency. How to do that? If you are selecting number, there is only the number will come. If you do the generally only number will come. If you are doing as selecting number, then you can do this one. You can tick, so it will come with commas, separator, and in the decimal place also you can have some number. You can do 0 or 2 or 4, anything after the point. So I am doing it 0. Apart from that, it is you can do currency like it is selected in Indian currency. The thing is that whenever if I do this way, if I selecting the accounting in currency, so number will come this way in Indian currency. So let's see the other options. Then date, if you want to put the date, so you have to select the date first, this way, date. You have to select how you want to add the data if you are entering any date. So this is the option. Then you have to select this one. Then you have to create a format. Then you can do the addition. Suppose 25th 03 20 224. See, we have done the format this way. So if you are putting the date, it will automatically be converted this way. So it will be very symmetric. So whenever you are adding any date, please remember you have to check the formatting very carefully. Otherwise, what will happen? It will be a problem of date and month conversion. Suppose 07 06 to 004 or sorry 24. If see this is a date, sometimes it happens that you will not be able to understand whether it is a 07 June 7 June or it's a 6 July, because what happens many a times, this first two digit stands for DD, then second two digit then YYYY. This data interchanges. Suppose if I do the formatting of the cell this way, data see, it has got changed this way because it was formatted, so you will be able to understand it was June. So you have to make the data format very critically. Ideally DD YYYY, this should be the format. The other things are in formatting of cells. The time is also there. If you want to put time, then you have to select this one. Then fraction, decimal place, how much you want to give, and just More important is text. If you want to add any data where first digit is 0, then it will go off. So if you want to retain the number, then you have to format the cell as text. Suppose you are writing 007. It is coming only 7 because the cell's format is general. So what you have to do, you have to select the cell or enter column as txt, text format. So what happens, whatever you write here, it will remain. Even it is a first digit is 0. What will happen in the computer if you convert this cell as a text cell? Computer will take 0 as a digit, as a character, not a digit. But if it is in general state, then computer will understand this 0 as a 0, so it will vanish. So this is the way you have to format the cell. It's a very important thing. Then there are some other options also. In alignment is there. If you want to align this thing, center, right, vertical, justify. You just want to what you have to do. You have to just select the entire cell and one by one you have to change. You will be able to understand what is what. It is sometimes justify is required because if you are doing the merging of the cell, so big data is there, then it is a problem. And the other is your left indent, then right, center. This way it happens. And this is a merge cells. You see, I have already shown the merge cells. Like if you want to club 2 cells or 3 cells, you can go here also, do the merging, and there also. Again, you need to cancel the merging, then untick it. Okay, it has gone. Then in the format cell there is font. Font is what? The type of the letter. Then there is bold, italics, italic bold, size of the font, the color of the font. Even strike through. If you do it, it will come here as it is. Superscript, subscript. This is the way. You have to click one by one, and you need to understand what is the impact. Then border. This is the option is there. Border. You can do it from here also. Here also you will be getting the border. It's a cosmetic changes actually. Then fill. So inside the cell, if you want to fill, so you want to fill with this number, then it is filled. Whenever it will be progressing, it will be taking the color, initial selected color. Next is borders. I have shown it is you can check. Fill is that you can fill any of the cells this way. Pattern style, fill. This is the way you can check and change the graphic property of the Excel file. So this is the way you can do it, fill. Another option is here, the protection. You check at your end. If you do the locking, then you cannot change the Excel. Okay friend, Thanks for today.